In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Moviebox Pro on Android TV. So this should be a quick and easy process video. It's easy to install Moviebox on your Android TV by using Downloader app. So how to use it? Install Downloader from Google Play on your Android TV. This is the downloader by AFTV News, as you can see. After that, open this app and allow the following permissions. As you can see right now, allow downloader to access photos, videos, music and audio on this device. Then click on allow. After that, type 21566. This is the download code generated through this app. In the input box on the right side of the homepage, click go to download Moviebox Pro app. So after you have done that, the download will take place. As you can see right now, if we scroll down, then complete the installation, then click on install, and the app should be installed on your Android TV. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.